Yeah, I heard it was somebody's birthday. I heard it was somebody. Getting lit and wild out. Birthday to you, yeah. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happiest birthday to my baby Uriel ko, my little princess. Baby, I love you so much. No matter what happened, mahal ko kayo. Ang wish ko sa'yo is maganda ka naman, sexy, mabenta sa mga lalaki. So, you good health lang and good relationship to your sisters. And for me, of course, magsaselos ako. Baby, my love to the both of you is hindi ko ma-define, basta mahal ko kayo. Kahit yung feeling na nasasaktan ako, pero nandyan kayo, sobrang saya ko. At saka napakaswerte ko kasi itinuloy niyo akong totoong mami and nirespeto niyo ako, minahal niyo ako, tinanggap niyo ako. Napakalaking bagay yun para sa akin. And baby, sa birthday mo sana gusto kong mag-abot ng gifts or bagay, pero hindi ko alam kung paano, masyadong hassle for me. And yun, sana soon makita-kita tayo ng mga kapatid mo, and I wanna cook for the four of you. Pagluto ko ng pansit canton kasi joke lang, masarap ako magluto, and yun, yung parang titira tayo sa isang bahay. So it's a dream for us, and I think kung gagawin naman natin yung best natin for as long as nandun pa rin yung motivations natin para makita-kita din, why not, diba? And thank you kasi meron pa rin tayong connections, you know. This year, alam mo, this year is not too good kasi mayroong pandemic na dumating, but to meet this year, na meet ko kayo, so parang not that bad, instead masaya ako. Ano pa ba, syempre sana pinakabahan ako, wag mo na kayo magla-love live siguro kasi parang napag-iwanan ako ng pagmamahal. Joke lang. Baby, I will be okay. Huwag niyo akong alalahanin. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Andito lang ako. Yung nangyari recently, hindi yun maganda for me. Parang it really breaks my heart to see the both of you na nag-aaway. And may kasalanan ako kasi hindi ko kayo nababantayan minsan. Sorry for that. And sana tama ka kasi dito talaga sinusubok yung family natin. We always remember, baby, na we are family. Walang maaapakan sa mga Gorgas family. And yun lang, laban tayo, baby. Mahal na mahal kita, and happiest birthday. Enjoy your day, baby, ha? Mahal na mahal ko kayo. I have nothing to say more, basta nandito lang ako. Baby, I love you.
Happy birthday. Got a new outfit.
Good morning, boys. Oh my god, this is your day. So, mag-greet lang sana ako na happy birthday sa'yo. Salamat sa lahat. Salamat sa pagiging maganda. Charot. Maganda kami talaga. Salamat sa pagiging true friend sa amin. Especially kay Medusa at kami. So, ito, may gagawin ako na ikakaguyat mo. Na-remember mo yung sinabi mo sa akin na noong una na tayo nag-chat, na sabi mo, uy, bakla pa yung tawagan natin. Bakla. Sana padalhin mo ako ng video call mo. So, syempre nashock ako. Diba ako? Talaga po, hindi ako ganun tao. So, ngayon, birthday mo naman. And, gagawin ko na siya. Talaga, promise. Ito. Wala ang tao dito. So, pwede akong gawin ko anong gawin. Gusto mo? Looso ka. Mag... Happy birthday, happiest birthday to you. Can't get up. That I wish you all the best in your life, especially in your career. And, lagi tatanan, nandito lang kami. Nakaalala sa'yo. So, kahit no matter what happened to you, and enjoy your day. Sana maging mabait ka naman sa amin. Charot. I love you. Mahal ko kayo. Especially si Medusa at si Mama. Mahal ko kayo. Salamat sa lahat. And, nag-enjoy ka ba sa show ko? Charot. Pero, nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa inyo lahat. Sorry ako, bagong gising ako, so, sagwa pa rin tingin sa akin. Pero ginawa ko talaga, kasi nga, walang tao, so, kailangan magdrama para sa'yo. And, there's more videos pa. Watch out. Love you.
Yeah, today.
Bro, I might pull up flexing on these niggas like a
chicken and macaroni, chilling with my homies. Chicken wing, chicken wing.
Party getting lit and wild out. Cut the cake and we gon' say happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. I wish all the
Japan wants to wish you